In this video, I'm gonna show you how I managed to get over 30,000 subscribers from a single video, and how due to this small mistake my channel, despite having over 10 million views post monetization as of July 2020, when it got banned, I decided that I would not continue with my gaming channel. But as soon as YouTube Shorts monetization policy came into effect in February 2021, I decided I have a channel for shorts, but for that I needed to select a niche. There are many types of niches, but I see them in two types: entertainment and education. So I chose entertainment because you tend to get response quickly in entertainment. My next task was creating, but here comes a problem. I had exams and only 15 days in which I had to create at least 2 months worth of content, which wasn't impossible, but also not easy. So I didn't waste time on channel name and logo. Instead, I focused more on video research. Yes, on video research. Because of limited time, I had to opt for reaction category. My strategy was simple. I would react to the most viral shots of a creator who creates funny videos. In about 4 days, I had found up to 45 videos I needed to react to, but I didn't have enough time to give reaction on each video and edit it. So I decided that I would use a single reaction for all videos. Just doing this took me 10 days. But here I made a mistake. This was the first time I was working on a channel whose monetization policy I knew nothing about and I ignored. It turned out to be my biggest mistake. I will explain this mistake later. It took me around 2 days to schedule all the videos. But as soon as 50 minutes within 1800 views, I thought they would now freeze, but no. Around 45 days later when my exams ended, then I saw there. Around 70 had already reached there. I was fully fascinated. But this was just a start. In around 1 month only, from this video, I got more than 22 subscribers and crossed over 5 million views. As soon as viewed, more than 6 million views were completed on it. But I got fascinated when I saw the audience retention of that video, which was around 170%. I understood that now. There are more views on this, and that happened after a little time. Another spike came on it, and at current time, more than 9 million views were there. And finally, that video gave around 35 subscribers. I put 15 more videos on it and completed 10 million criteria, and we applied for monetization. But the same happened that I thought. Due to a small mistake, my channel was rejected for monetization. The mistake was voiceover. If I had just once said something related to the video, then definitely my channel would have been monetized because it comes under reaction and it would not violate the policies. If I talk about overall channel, now I am not very active on it, but still on it. On posting any video, 10 goes around comfortably range. Tell me in the comments, what should I do with that channel? And if you also want to become one in 2024, then you should watch this video. Thank you for watching.